Hello and welcome to Jamaica Explain, and this is a new series I'm doing where I'll be explaining everything in Jamaica. If you have something you want me to explain, drop it to the comment section and I will do a video on it. And yes, I am a Jamaican. Today we're going to explain the word Pappyshow. Yes, Pappyshow. A Pappyshow is basically someone who is as a buffoon, someone who is not taken seriously, someone who has no credibility. How you could use this word is to say that John is a Pappyshow. Cynthia is treating John like a Pappyshow. Cynthia's man is a Pappyshow. I am a Pappyshow. You are a Pappyshow. They are Pappyshows. Okay? Pappyshow. Do not be a Pappyshow. Thank you for listening.